In this video, we'll be talking about the SMS marketing. So, as always, go to the home menu, click on SMS marketing. So the SMS marketing, it's almost or very similar to the email marketing as well. So it gives you an option to create a new SMS. So you can click here to create a new SMS marketing. So you input the title and the details of the SMS, but we'll be doing that currently. So this is how the platform looks like: the date, the title, the responsible, clicked percent, and status. So this click percent shows the number of people that has clicked that particular SMS based on the particular SMS marketing. Okay, it will be showing here the percentage of click and several details needed. Currently there are no SMS marketing being created already. So if there is one, I could have clicked on it to explain better, but it's almost or very similar to the email marketing app. If you don't understand, you can go to the email marketing app video to properly understand. So it's very similar. And as well, there's Kanban here. If you want to view it in a Kanban format, or you want to see a graphical, you want to view it graphically, you can click here to see the graph. So search is for searching for a particular SMS marketing. For a particular SMS marketing, you can click on search to search for a particular SMS marketing. So this is a very important feature. Yeah, it's a very, very important feature. So what I would like you guys to do is to navigate to the SMS app under your home menu, SMS, then play around it, go through it. Then if you're instructed to create a new SMS marketing, you can click here to create a new SMS marketing. So that's it for the SMS marketing video.